Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with me. In this video, we will discuss for GSS or Scanning Style Sheet. What is GSS? GSS is language used to design organization the reference of web page. GSS allow you to spirit content from a friends, so HTML can focus on structure. History of GSS. GSS 1 released in 1996 by W3C. GSS 2 released in 1998 added new features such as element, position, and media types. GSS 2.1 and update to GSS 2 released in 2004. CSS3 introduction in 2022 with feature modularization which is still used and development today. Basic CSS structure. CSS syntax selection determine the element to be styled. Declaration, block content properties and values. Properties, the attribute of the element you want to change. Value specification of the property. How to include CSS? Inline CSS uses style attribute in HTML element. Style color blue, yellow, world, hello world. External CSS uses the spread CSS file linked by a link text. Internal CSS uses the style text in the head section of an HTML document. CSS selector element selector selects all elements with a specific tag name. ID selector selection element with a specific ID attribute. ID name, this is a paragraph. ID name. Class selector selects element with a specific class attribute. Specific class name, this is a paragraph. In CSS, color class name for color green. Advanced selection, group multi-page selection that have a same declaration. To descans selection selects elements that are descans of other elements. Shield selection selects elements that are direct children of the F element. Text color or color property. Color beautiful color red, blue, green, yellow, hex code FF or 000 or 00 FF 00. RGB 255 00 RGB. Background color, the background color property light blue. Font family, the font family property Arial or sans serif. Font weight, the font weight property bold. The elegant property example center. Font size, the font size property. The font style property example italic. Box model property. In element for model, component model margin, border, padding content. Padding dispatch inside the element, border, padding, margin. The border. Display model control how an element is displayed. Non remove the element from display. Block element displayed as a block. Inline element displayed inline. Position model position control the positioning of an element. Static default position flow natural in document, relative position relative to this normal position, absolute position absolutely relative to the nearest position ensure, fixed position relative to the viewport, sticky which between relative and fixed based on the scroll position. Flexbox a layout method for designing responsive web pages. Flexbox property flex direction set the direction of the flex item row column. Just type content urgent flex item flex star flex and center space between space around. Urgent flex item on the cross action straight center flex star flex end. Grid layout, CSS grid layout, two-dimensional layout method, grid property, grid template column, define the column in the grid. Grid sample row, define the row in the grid. Grid gap sets the gap between grid item. Background and gradients. Background set a background of element. Background image, background repeat, background position. Gradients, background, gradients, radial gradients. In linear gradients, to right, yellow. Including custom font and custom font using one from external source, including from for Google Fonts. Encoder. Shadow effect, text shadow, box shadow. CSS variable for create and use variable in CSS. Responsible with flagbox and grid. Responsible flag container, flag item, and responsive grid, grid container, grid template column, and grid gap. Display CSS framework, popular frameworks Bootstrap, Tailwind, CSS Bulma. CSS tool the research for the editor, Visual Studio Code Sublime Text Atom. Browser DevTools inspect in the book CSS in the browser. On resort, MDN Web Docs, CSS Trick and Witchery School. CSS Strip and Trick. Organization code the user's command and sparse file for clean CSS. Performance optimization minimals and combines CSS files. Debugging in the browser div tools for debugging. Chat Studio example case study designs of portfolio web packs, design flagbox and grid for responsive layout. Implement animation and transition. Consultant with a verbal for design and style web packs, understanding basic and advanced CSS technical allows to create an attractive and responsive web. Thank you for watching. Watch the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.